Kenmore washer troubleshooting. Expert solutions. Kenmore washer troubleshooting often involves checking power connections, water supply, and examining error codes. Refer to the user manual for specific issues. Kenmore washers are known for their reliability, but occasional issues can arise. Troubleshooting common problems can save time and money. Basic issues include power supply disruptions, water inlet blockages, or malfunctioning error codes. Understanding error codes helps in diagnosing and fixing problems. Regular maintenance, like cleaning filters and checking hoses, ensures optimal performance. Always refer to the user manual for detailed guidance. For persistent issues, contacting Kenmore customer support or a professional technician is advisable. Taking these steps ensures your Kenmore washer runs smoothly and efficiently, providing hassle-free laundry days. Introduction to Kenmore washers. Kenmore washers are popular for their quality and durability. They have a long history of providing reliable appliances to families. This section will introduce you to Kenmore washers. 1. Brand history. 2. Kenmore washer identifying common problems. Kenmore washers are reliable, but they can have issues. Understanding common problems helps you fix them quickly. Let's explore 2 frequent issues: power problems and water leaks. 1. No power. 2. Water leaks. Kenmore washer won't start. Experiencing a Kenmore washer that won't start can be frustrating. This issue can stem from various factors. Understanding these can help you troubleshoot effectively. Below, we cover essential steps to identify and resolve the problem. 1. Power supply check. 2. Door lock issues. Kenmore washer water drainage issues. Water drainage issues can be a common problem with Kenmore washers. If your washer isn't draining properly, it can leave clothes soaking wet. This can be frustrating and may even cause damage to your washer. Understanding the root causes can help you fix the problem efficiently. 1. Clogged drain pump. 2. Faulty drain hose. Kenmore washer spin cycle problems. Having issues with your Kenmore washer spin cycle? This common problem can disrupt your laundry routine. Let's explore some of the common causes and solutions for spin cycle problems. 1. Unbalanced load. 2. Motor malfunctions. Kenmore washer strange noises. Is your Kenmore washer making strange noises? This can be alarming. Strange noises often indicate underlying issues. Here, we will explore common causes and solutions. 1. Loose drum. 2. Worn bearings. Kenmore washer detergent dispenser issues. Having trouble with your Kenmore washer's detergent dispenser? You're not alone. These issues can cause poor washing performance. This section will help you troubleshoot common detergent dispenser problems. 1. Clogged dispenser. 2. Incorrect detergent use. Kenmore washer maintenance tips. Maintaining your Kenmore washer can extend its life and improve performance. These maintenance tips will help keep your washer running smoothly. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Preventive measures. Kenmore washer when to call a professional. Sometimes, trying to fix your Kenmore washer yourself can make things worse. Knowing when to call a professional can save you time and money. Below are some situations where expert help is needed. 1. Complex electrical issues. 2. Warranty considerations. Frequently asked questions about Kenmore washer. Why is my Kenmore washer not spinning? The washer might be overloaded or the lid switch could be faulty. How to reset a Kenmore washer. Unplug the washer for 5 minutes, then plug it back in. What causes Kenmore washer to leak? Leaks can be due to a faulty hose, pump, or door seal. Why is my Kenmore washer not draining? A clogged drain pump or hose might be the issue. How to fix a Kenmore washer's lid switch. You can replace the lid switch with a new part available online. Conclusion: troubleshooting your Kenmore washer can save you time and money. Follow these tips for common issues. Regular maintenance helps extend the life of your appliance. Don't hesitate to consult the manual or seek professional help.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.